Should you get a fat transfer with your facelift? 98% of the time, the answer is yes. And we've actually coined that combination into the term V-Lyft. And the reason is we don't age in one dimension. It's not just your skin aging. It's also that we're losing volume in our face, whether it's bony volume, fat volume, muscle volume. All of that has to be replaced in order to get the most natural result. We want to sort of replace what's been lost, not just one thing, like pull tight and then wish for the best, right? We want to really structurally bring back all of the elements of youthfulness that have been lost in the aging process. And what that does, it makes everything make sense. So when people look at you, they're like, wow, so refreshed. What are they eating? Are they exercising? Like, what's going on? They look great. That's what we want people to say. We don't want people to be like, oh, Sharon did something, right? So when everything makes sense, which includes rejuvenating the skin, replacing fat where volume's been lost, and restructuring the muscles that have become more lax in the face and neck. Finally, removal of excess skin. All of that leads to a very well-rounded result that makes sense and looks totally natural.